Alright, so this is the event calendar analysis of stocks that what happens in economic events. So there's like a 53% win rate. I'm gonna provide the script and all the CSV files from right here that I generated from Claude. And you can also see the script. Um, so you could look at yourself for sale, and hopefully this will improve your chances in stocks and tells you like what's the probability of winning and how to trade it. Majority of the time it's just straddles, and that's how you percentage of wins from this analysis. But you can use it yourself to use AI to analyze it yourself from these datas. So hopefully this quant information will help you improve your trading. So have a nice day. Bye.